I'm Alan Kenny, Managing Editor with REIT.com, and I'm at the New York Hilton for REITWeek 2012, Nareit's Investor Forum. Joining me is Craig Leupold, President of Green Street Advisors. Craig, can you give us a little bit of an idea? You talk a lot about wanting to identify REIT management teams that get it. What do you mean?
What we mean by that is real estate management teams that understand, or REIT management teams that understand, their primary mission is to own a liquid form of real estate. And therefore their objective should really be to provide returns that exceed that which otherwise would be available on real estate on an unlevered basis. So, what we're saying is, keep it simple.
What are some of the signs, the tenets that you look for within companies to know that they get it?
I think it's one, understanding what their core competencies are, and ways that we think about that and measure that. Two things we really primarily look at are, one, capital allocation track record, looking at management teams and understanding how they've done in terms of allocating capital. The second would be balance sheet strategy and what they've done in terms of creating a balance sheet that matches basically their business. And what we mean there is keeping leverage to a relatively low level such that they can take advantage of opportunities in a market that they see, while also providing or limiting downside risks that might come through periods of time when capital markets are out of favor.
And do you think that investors still view REITs as a stable investment class?
I think they absolutely do, yes.
What makes then REITs the preferred way to own and operate real estate?
I think one, you have the highest quality management teams in the real estate industry participating in the public markets. I think two, it's again, a liquid form of real estate. They're operated in an efficient manner, meaning that G&A, or general administrative costs, are low as a percentage of asset value. You have transparency. And then lastly, you have, again, the ability to trade in and out of stocks. And these companies have an advantage where they can take advantage of their stock when it's trading at a premium to underlying real estate value by basically issuing equity and going out and buying real estate in the private market. Or vice versa, when they're trading at a discount to NAV, they can sell assets and redeploy that capital and repurchase their stock. So they have an advantage that's not available in the private market.
All right, well, thank you very much for your time, Craig.
Thank you.
And for more on this and other REIT news and analysis, check out REIT.com.